Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Metform in WordPress. Metform is a powerful, user-friendly drag-and-drop form builder plugin, specifically designed to integrate seamlessly with Elementor. It empowers you to create a wide array of custom forms, from simple contact forms to complex patient forms, all without writing a single line of code. With over 500,000 active users, Metform is a trusted solution for enhancing your WordPress site's interactivity and data collection capabilities. To begin, install and activate the Metform plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard. Once activated, you can leverage Elementor's intuitive drag-and-drop interface to start building your forms. Metform provides a rich selection of over 25 input fields, including text, email, and checkboxes, allowing you to craft highly customized forms for any purpose. This visual builder makes the process straightforward, even for beginners. Metform offers extensive customization options to ensure your forms perfectly align with your website's design. You can choose from various field input styles and even create custom field groups for reuse. For more dynamic forms, implement conditional logic to display or hide fields based on user responses. Additionally, easily configure email notifications to administrators after submissions, and even set up conditional email routing for different form types. Metform seamlessly integrates with popular WordPress plugins, such as WooCommerce, to extend its functionality for e-commerce and other needs. To protect your forms from spam and abusive traffic, it's crucial to integrate security measures like Google reCAPTCHA. Always remember to keep Metform and all other WordPress plugins updated to their latest versions. This practice is vital for maintaining your website's security, performance, and overall integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.